I wanted to make this video on how to pitch a seller on using PYT and why they should hire you for introducing them to protect your transaction. A lot of agents keep saying to me, Mark, this is one of the best programs I've ever seen. I mean, my gosh, you're going to put your money where your mouth is. You've basically put a gun to your head, Mark. That means if you fail to perform, you're going to have to cough up $10,000. I'm like, yeah, we know we did. We believe it to be the right path to try and fix the mortgage industry. We believe that protect your transaction is the way all loans should have always been done. I mean, think about it. With all the transactions that were done in 2013 last year, and I'll pop up a slide for you to look at, there's 4,000 people a day that are disenfranchised because of a lender who screws up. So if all of those lenders each day are screwing up, there has to be a way to fix it. When you're on the phone talking to a seller, you want to use statistics like 4,000 people a day, every day, are disenfranchised because of lender screw-ups. So it's that powerful language, it's the beauty of the program that is going to help you get more sellers to trust you and engage with your services. So I was fortunate enough to be on a listing presentation where I saw an agent twist it in an amazing way that really helped them. So while they were talking to the seller, the agent said, hey, that's a new TV, right? Can I ask you, did you get a warranty on it, an extended warranty? And Brian, the seller, goes, yeah, I did. It was a pretty penny too. And the agent looked at him and said, so why did you get one? He goes, and the seller goes, well, because I want it to perform, and if it breaks down or something doesn't work, I know it's going to get fixed. I know it's going to continue to be in my home, and I don't have to worry about it. And the agent was really smart at this point and said, so that's the new iPhone, right? He goes, yeah, it's really good. And the agent goes, did you take out Apple Care? And he goes, yeah, I did. Why are you asking me this? And the agent looks at him and said, well, you seem to be a person that values protection. You want to make sure that what you buy, what you engage in, what you work with is going to continue to work for you. So may I ask you, in our dialogue you've been telling me you've been talking to other agents, have any of them offered you a performance assurance? A extended warranty, as it were, that if something happens under their charge while they're trying to sell your listing, that you would get paid if things break down? I was in shock. I thought that was complete and utter sheer genius. That's how you can leverage protect your transaction to speak to the seller. The seller knows you're a conduit to the MLS. The seller knows you're going to do some marketing. What they don't know is how you're going to make it all about them. How are you going to take care of them and protect them from things going wrong? All things go wrong. But think about it this way. Mr. Seller, if you work with me and my team, should anything happen after accepting a contract from a buyer, after the 15th day of a Protect Your Transaction certificate being delivered to us, if anything happens, you could be paid up to $10,000. Another agent was very clever and said to the seller, he goes, Sheila, your mortgage, would it be okay if I asked you what your mortgage payment is a month? And she goes, yeah, it's about $2,000 with taxes. And she looks at her husband and goes, so HOA, what is it? And like monthly, like $50. So the agent says, so $2,000, huh? And I told you that on average in your community right now, it takes 83 days to sell. You also stressed to me that the last time you put a house on the market, you had a few offers fall out, and that your agent wasn't always present in the transaction. So what if I was to tell you that should anything untoward happen with a buyer that presents an offer to us, and we've put them in the Protect Your Transaction program, what if I was to tell you if things did hit the fan, that it would be okay because you would have no expenses until the next time we can sell your house, which is 83 days. So 3 months. No expenses on your mortgage. You'd have sufficient funds. You don't have to fire me. I can get enough time to continue to marketing the property and find another buyer. That's how you really want to present it to sellers, talking to them that they have no worries. And you'll see, team, in the next round of marketing, we're going to start talking about what have you got to lose, because you really don't have anything to lose. The next seller question that I get asked more importantly throughout the process when I'm talking to them is, what does it cost me? They like the program, they get it, they see the sense of it. I have to keep repeating to them, it's not a fee that the agent's charging you. We're not allowed to charge an increased fee, a rate, or anything. That would be illegal. We have no additional fee. It's the cost of doing business. It's basically free to you. It's just part of the process working with you and me, the agent and lender of record on Protect Your Transaction. So once you tell the seller that, they're fine. So basically what I wanted to share with you on this little video is a couple of teasers of how to present it, but most importantly to convey that you just need to have a basic ground knowledge of it to kind of be able to talk about it. When you're doing your marketing, send out the flyers that resonate to buyers. Send out the flyers that resonate to sellers. Do the Facebook posts on the flash drive that I've given you. But when you get a call about Protect Your Transaction, why not talk about it in general and then reach out to me and I will talk to the seller for you. After all, I did it for Riza Schwartz and she got 3 listings in one day from the same seller, and the best news of all was no commissionectomy. Check out this slide. So thanks for watching the video. I know it's a little lengthy. I wanted to go through with you calmly how to present it. If you have ideas on how to present it, put it in the comments section below. Ask me questions, anything. We are here to be of service. And my goal and my passion for 2015 is to help you get as many listings and as many more buyers as you want. So start thinking about the sellers that are on the fence right now. You know, the ones with the excuses about holidays and tidying up. Have me call them. Have me get them excited about marketing your home and giving them the assurance that no matter what happens, if they work with you and me, then everything will be taken care of and they can focus on the romance of finding their next new home and buying it from you. Thanks so much for your time. I really appreciate you. Please, please reach out to me with questions, and know that I don't say it often enough, but it's an honor and a privilege to be on your radar and to get to work with you and your clients. So for my team and I, thank you so much.